just a regular winter wonderland out here yet again. And to think, last video I said the blizzard was done. Why was I wrong? But that's okay. Behold Mother Nature in all of its glory. And its magical, magical glory. Oh, yes. Yes, oh my, look at that. Oh, yes. It's a beautiful sight. No doubt that there are some people who will actually say that this is a cause of global warming, that global warming caused this. Yeah, wow. Yeah. But I'll try to stay off politics and we can just admire the beauty and serenity of this never-ending, frozen storm that is continuing to plague and annoy the living shit out of me. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? There's someone out in the distance. I can see them. I don't know if the camera can, but... Let me see them. No, apparently not. Okay. Let me see if I can take some more pictures. Alright, until the next time, I bid you all adieu.